Hello guys again, and I'm gonna make another one again. The skin was pointless. I was gonna cover that anyway, so I didn't finish the skin. So let's be on it right now. Hi guys, me and my brother here. Now we're gonna do another this thing, but a girl is for me. Okay. I already have put tape. Okay.
Ano part to? Part
One.
6? Okay, part 1.
Okay, I have finished the pants. Di!
Ano?
Sige, didelete ko na to.
Hindi.
Bro. Ulo mo.
Yeah! 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 Yeah!
Ay.
Yeah! 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 Yeah!
Okay, now we're gonna do the head. It's like an anime face. Good thing we're gonna finish this. And you can, just tanggal. I forgot what's the English word of tanggal. Oh my god!
This is my drawing.
That's not your drawing. Oh, that's your drawing. Sino yung mga mumo? We don't have that.
This silhouette is bad.
No! We're gonna do a part 2 because of hair. Of course, hair. Wait lang. It's almost done. And the video's almost done.
No, not.
Yeah. Okay, it's done. Look. We're gonna do the hair. Bye guys. Sabihin mo bye.
Bye.
Tagalin mo yan. Malunugan mo pong bye. Ano pa yan? Bye guys.
Bye.
We're gonna wait until it's done. Like 3 minutes. You cut off the head. Look. He cut off the head of this one.